Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your brokerage through Cash App investing step by step clearly. Open the Cash App on your device. Ensure that you are logged into your account. Tap on the Investing tab located at the bottom of your screen. Select the Brokerage option from the Investing menu. If you haven't set up your brokerage account yet, follow the prompts to create one. Once your brokerage account is established, return to the Investing tab. Locate the option to authenticate your brokerage account. You may need to provide identifying information, such as your social security number. Enter the required personal information accurately. Follow any additional prompts that may appear on your screen. Prepare to receive a verification email or text. Check your email or messages for the verification code. Enter the code in the designated field within the app. After successful verification, your brokerage should now be authenticated. Review your account settings to ensure everything is updated. Now, you can begin trading directly through Cash App investing. If you encounter any issues during the process, consult the help section within the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.